my new vlog. I'm down on the other side of the Huon River at the moment. I had to go down to Huonville this morning, which was about 20 kilometres from our place, and went through very, very heavy fog. And it was about 3 or 4 degrees I think when I arrived. It was just terrible. But now I'm down actually on the other side of the Huon to home, just to have a look around and take you around and give you a look at the area. I'm also using my GoPro on the gimbal just to give it a try, and I'm hoping it's not too windy. I've got a windsock on the audio, so hopefully it's good, and so let's go and have a look around. So across there is basically where I live, so what we're going to do is just have a little look on this beach and see what we can find. I know there's some beautiful fossils on here, so we'll go and have a look and see what's available. The Huon is about 170 kilometres long. It's the 5th longest in Tasmania. At the moment it's probably, I don't know, maybe even a couple of kilometres over from one side to the other, so it's certainly a wide river, and I was hoping it's going to be nice and calm this morning to get some nice reflection shots, but that won't happen. I've got Ben at home. He's very unhappy that he couldn't come with his dad. He normally likes coming down to these lovely points with me. How's that for a nice secluded little shack? It's certainly a little bit cold down here today. I reckon it's probably about 10 degrees, but with the wind chill it's certainly feeling a lot cooler than that. But an interesting place, and having a look to see what's available for image wise. There's a lot of gunk coming off the water at the moment, so it's not looking too crash hot, but it's worthy of having a look. Last summer it was a lot warmer than today, but Lyn, myself and Ben went down to this gorgeous little beach and took some lovely photographs and had a lovely walk around. And here's some fabulous shots that Lyn took of the fossils. You can see the enormous amount of erosion that occurs around this area with the gale force winds coming in, hitting this place fairly heavily. And that's looking up the Huon River towards Huonville itself, and beyond that is Hobart. And we live across there and probably down a little bit further Just a lovely quiet area of southern Tasmania. Well, I do vacations now. I'm further upstream down the hill, or going up the river, up the Huon, and I've got a place that I've taken some images before. I'll show you a couple of them now. This beautiful old dead tree looks absolutely superb. Unfortunately, it's normally got horrible power lines over it, but I'm taking this time a lower type shot. I'll give you a look at it now. This is the beautiful bay that we're in. Unfortunately, there's a guy mowing his lawn, so it's not very quiet at the moment. Sorry about that. I've just taken a series of shots with and without the 10-stop filter. Personally, I like the long exposure shots, but tell me what you think. Whether you think I should be using the long exposure 10-stop or just do it as a normal half second or a second, or even, you know, way less. So tell me what you think. I couldn't resist getting this lovely old fallen tree. I don't know how long it's been down for, but it certainly must have been pretty huge originally. Just have a look at the size of the base of it. Just absolutely huge. Well, this is going to be my last little area for this afternoon. Unfortunately, it's now very smoky. There's a fire going further over the river now, but it's certainly calmed down to a beautiful quiet afternoon. Behind me is a wonderful old apple shed, which is now used as accommodation. Apple sheds are all around Tasmania, from this one. This one unfortunately has gone well beyond its use by date, but gave some wonderful pictures when I took it last year. This other one we've certainly taken a few times, and you'll see a few images from it. Really shows what can be done with a wonderful old apple shed. So that's about it for me this afternoon. I've had a wonderful afternoon looking around. Unfortunately, Ben just had to stay at home. He's got to do it sometimes. He's got to look after the house. But I had a wonderful time, and if you liked it, please give me the big tick, and if you haven't subscribed, do it now, and you'll be able to be notified of when the new ones are coming. So have a good day, and it's goodbye from me.